Hey there, and welcome to my guide to digital painting with Procreate. In this course, we'll be learning a simple but effective method of digital painting used by pros everywhere, and you'll learn a lot of tips, tricks, and shortcuts along the way. My name is Kurt, and I'll be leading you through the course. I've been in the comics industry since 2011, doing color art for publishers such as Image Comics, IDW, and Top Cow. I started creating art tutorials in 2013, and since then I've recorded hundreds of lessons and taught thousands of students all over the world about digital art. I designed this course for anyone looking to get into digital painting with Procreate. By the end of this course, you'll understand how to create your own paintings using these easy-to-follow, step-by-step lessons. I was always a big fan of Bob Ross's teaching style, and in this course we'll start with a rough sketch and we'll take it all the way through to a fully finished color image. And you don't have to sit here and just watch my talking head. I'll be working in real time throughout the course, so you can follow along each step of the way. You'll see my iPad screen in high definition, along with a shot of my hands while I'm working so you can see the gestures that I'm using as well. All you'll need is an iPad, the newer the better, a Procreate app, and a stylus. To get the best results, I'd recommend the Apple Pencil, but any pressure-sensitive stylus will work. And if you prefer another painting app like Photoshop or Clip Studio, Manga Studio, these techniques can be applied to almost any of those. So whether you're a traditional artist looking to test the water on the digital side, or you just want to learn a new workflow, this course was designed for you. So check out all the details in the description below, and I'll see you inside.